Let's solve this question with me. Arjun bought a total of 56 chicken wings and curry puff for a party. Very important key phrase, 56 chicken wings and curry puff. I'm going to give chicken wing a short form of CW and curry puff CP. So I'll be using the acronyms throughout this question as we do it. He paid a total of $54.40 for this. How many curry puff did he buy? So there are many ways to solve this question. You can do it either by guess and check or the assumption method. So in our video today, we are going to try out the assumption method. What is the assumption method? Assumption method is using the difference of the cost to find the number of chicken wings bought. There are broadly 4 main steps. It can vary from question to question, but it follows these 4 ideas. So let's take a look at what they are. First step is you have to assume all the items bought is one type, is of only one type. So in this case, I will assume that all the 56 items Arjun bought is chicken wings. Next, I want to find the difference between the total assumed cost and the total actual cost. So the total actual cost is $54.40. If I buy 56 chicken wings, how much would that be? And find a difference from there. Next, we will find the difference between 3 curry puffs and 3 chicken wings. 3 in this case is because for curry puff, they sell as a set of 3 and it's of $2. So if we take $2 divide by 3 curry puff, 1 curry puff is actually around 67 cents. It is actually a recurring number which is very difficult to deal with. So instead of trying to find 1 curry puff, we will find 3 chicken wings instead. And lastly, we will find the number of sets of curry puff bought by dividing the differences. So this seems a little difficult to understand. We will look at the next part of the video using a simpler example to understand this technique first. Now let's understand the assumption method first. This is not an easy method to understand, but once you have understand this, the steps to solve this question is rather straightforward. First, to understand this method, let's take a look at the cost of 1 chicken wing and the cost of 1 curry puff. 1 chicken wing is $1.20. Let's annotate this here. And 1 curry puff is 67 cents. How do I get 67 cents? It will be 3 curry puff based on the diagram given is $2. So 1 curry puff, I will take $2 divided by 3. It will give me approximately 67 cents. This is a recurring number, so I have already round it off to 2 decimal places for this question. So the chicken wing is slightly more expensive, and let's find the difference in the cost. So to find the difference, I will take $1.20 minus 67 cents. This will give me 53 cents. So the chicken wing is 53 cents more expensive than the curry puff. And I'm going to highlight this extra part in blue. So for every chicken wing you get, it adds a blue box to the cost on top of the regular rectangular box because it is more expensive. Next, after we understand that, we're going to assume we have bought 2 chicken wings and 2 curry puff. And the model will look like that. 1 chicken wing, 2 chicken wing, 1 curry puff, 2 curry puff. You'll notice that the extra cost of the chicken wing is interspersed between the white rectangles, and this is a little difficult to visualize. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to reorder the model for chicken wing and let the similar rectangles and the blue boxes be grouped and placed together first. So let me shift this away. Move this to the end. and put the whole thing back. And you can notice that the two blue boxes add up together will be the difference in the cost of 2 chicken wings compared to the 2 curry puff. So, and the number of blue boxes at the end also indicate the number of curry puffs I bought. Assuming that this entire part is similar and represented by one rectangle, followed by this, I can find the number of chicken wings I bought by counting the number of boxes at the end. So our goal for this question is to find the number of blue boxes that made up the extra combined cost by getting the chicken wings. And how do I find the number of boxes? First, based on the question, I already know that 2 chicken wing cost $2.40, the whole thing. And 2 curry puff is $1.34 because 1 curry puff is about 67 cents. So first, I can find the total difference between 2 curry puff and 2 chicken wings. I will take $2.40 minus $1.34. This will give me $1.06. And since I know that the difference between the cost of 1 chicken wing and 1 curry puff is 53 cents, I will take $1.06 divided by 53 cents. This will give me 2, which is also shown and reflected by the 2 boxes. So this 2 that you get refers to the number of blue boxes that makes up the difference in the cost of the chicken wings and curry puff. Now back to our actual question. So first step, we want to assume that all the 56 items we have bought is chicken wing, and we will find the total cost of that. So 1 chicken wing is $1.20. So 56 chicken wing, I will take 56 multiplied by $1.20. This will give me $67.20. Now I'm gonna draw a model to represent this. So if all chicken wings so 56 chicken wing, the model will look like that. And this is represented by 67.20. Now, but in actual fact, he didn't pay 67.20. Okay, he actually only paid. Let's look at the question. He only paid $54.40. So I'm going to represent that. That means when he bought a mixture of chicken wings and curry puff, he only paid a total of $54.40. And this extra difference is due to the cheaper curry puff he has bought. So I'm going to color this in blue. Next, I want to find out what's the actual value of this difference. So to find this, I will take $67.20 minus $54.40. This will give me $12.80. Next, to find out how many curry puff I bought using this difference here, I need to find the difference between 1 curry puff and 1 chicken wing. However, like I mentioned at the start of this video, the cost of a curry puff is a recurring number. It's not exact. It's difficult to deal with. So instead of finding the difference in cost of 1 chicken wing and 1 curry puff, I will find the difference in cost of 3. So 1 chicken wing is 120. 3 chicken wings will be 120 times 3 is $3.60. And since one set of 3 curry puff costs $2, I'll find the difference by taking $3.60 minus $2 equals to 160. So now I know that the difference in a set of 3 chicken wings and 3 curry puff is $1.60. I want to find out how many sets of $1.60 made up this difference. To find the number of sets of curry puff bought, I will take $12.80, the difference, divided by $1.60. This will give me the number 8. What does this number 8 means? It means 8 sets of curry puff bought. So since one set of curry puff has 3, 8 sets will be 8 times 3 curry puff, 24 curry puff. And so in this question, he has bought 24 curry puff.